Oh, hello there. Let me tell you why our human mummy insists on giving us a bath once a month. At first I thought it was just a strange human quirk, but I've come to understand the reasons behind it. First of all, we Persian cats have these luxurious long fur coats that can get quite messy and matted if not properly taken care of. Mummy's baths help keep our fur clean and tangle-free, which prevents any uncomfortable skin issues. Another thing is the pesky allergens. Our human friends sometimes have allergies, and these baths help reduce the dander we produce. This way, we can snuggle up with them without making them sneeze or itch too much. Then there's the shedding. We shed a lot, and these monthly baths help remove loose fur. This means less hair floating around the house and fewer hairballs for us to deal with. It's a win-win. Let's not forget about the smells. We cats are quite meticulous about grooming, but sometimes we need a little extra help to stay fresh. A monthly bath helps us smell our best, which is always a good thing. And finally, while I might not be the biggest fan of water, I've come to appreciate the routine and the bonding time with Mummy. She's gentle and patient, and it's a special time we spend together. So, while the bath itself isn't exactly my favorite activity, I've come to understand that it's all about keeping us healthy, comfortable, and looking our absolute best. Plus, it makes Mummy happy, and that makes me happy too.